want you to know about the evolution of rodenticides. The technology has changed over the years, but now we got iPhones, we got it takes cameras and videos. It's the same thing with the rodenticide business. We are innovators, we are not imitators. Our main active ingredient is diphenthylone. It's advanced and only Liphatech has it. So here's what I'm going to do for my final shot. At the right speed and angle, to pocket the one ball, the yellow ball, we place it before this comes crashing down. If this shot works, it is known as the Liphatech trick shot. If the shot inevitably fails, it's quickly renamed one of those other rodenticide business companies. The good news is I make this about 50% of the time. The bad news is last show I made it. You do the math. And like I used to tell my ex-wife late at night, don't blink. This happens fast. Hey, there we go, the Liphatech trick shot, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to come in.